In the Other Settings section, there are some custom fields that you might find useful, particularly if you're designing campaigns around customer engagement. All of the custom fields are linked dynamically to your Infusionsoft account, so you can either create the custom fields in Infusionsoft and then dynamically search for them here, or you can create a new custom field by typing the required name and then clicking Save. The first custom field is the Last Call field, which is a simple timestamp for the last inbound and the last outbound call to or from the contact. This can be used as a simple reference field on the contact record or as part of a campaign designed around ensuring regular telephone contact with clients and prospects. The Call Counter field is a simple counter field which increments by 1 every time you receive an inbound call or make an outbound call to that contact. The Mobile Number field is useful if you are using mobile numbers within your campaigns to connect to apps where the mobile number is required, such as a text messaging platform, for example. Infusionsoft has 5 phone number fields, and it can be difficult to ensure that the mobile number is in the correct field for the campaign. Our system will recognize calls from mobile numbers and automatically put the number into this custom field. This makes building campaigns based on the mobile number much easier, as we know for sure which field to use in the campaign.